National Weather Service has issued a severe weather watch for the entire northeastern half of the country. Expect heavy snow to continue throughout the day, with gale force winds and rapidly dropping temperatures. They're calling this the biggest storm of the year, folks. So stay indoors, stay warm, and stay safe.
Listen, it's a mess out there. I don't know how a little kid can protect himself from a storm like that. Nobody called, the police, nothing?
Maybe somebody found Max and they've got him inside where he's warm and fed, and they just haven't called the police yet.
Yeah.
Canvassed every house around the park. There's no sign of him.
None of the hospitals admitted any children matching his description.
I just got off the horn with Derek. His men are looking everywhere, backyards, alleyways, parked cars.
Maybe Raquel found him. Maybe she just hasn't called yet.
Yeah, anybody heard from her?
Not since yesterday, since she went to look for Max.
It's a long time to be out of touch.
Yeah, especially in this weather.
Well, I hope Raquel's okay.
That's all we need is one more person to look for. Excuse me.
Damn, I'm sorry. This whole thing is my fault. I never should have taken my eyes off Max, not even for a second. I'm sorry.
I gotta keep looking.
Hey, you've been out all night. You need to rest.
What do you want me to do? Stay here and sit around while my son freezes to death? Is that what we're supposed to do? I gotta look for him.
Now remember, Max, this is just a game we're playing with Daddy, okay? I never, ever want you to run away for real. Not from me or anybody. You got that?
Okay, Mommy.
All right. So, did you have fun playing our little game last night? Hiding out in the hunting lodge with your mommy?
I like playing games.
Yeah, well, me too. But remember, Max, this is our secret forever and ever. Pinky swear? Now, you remember what a pinky swear is, right? We can't ever tell anyone our secrets, ever. All right, let's do it one more for Mommy, okay? All right, pinky swear. Now, when you see your daddy and he asks you how you got home, what are you gonna say?
Max, I got home all by myself because I know Max.
Oh, you're such a good boy. All the good of your daddy and me rolled into one. All right. Put up. Hold on to my hand. And away we go. Oh, it's gonna be cold out there. You ready? Okay.
My goodness. Grandma Kate's engagement ring.
Ted gave it to me in New York.
It's got an alarm attached. Anytime she wanders out of my sight, bells go off.
Oh, I thought that was supposed to happen when I wander close to you.
You're not supposed to be funnier than that. Well, it's in the prenup.
I couldn't be happier for both of you. Welcome home, sweetheart.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's so good to be back.
Jake has filled me in on your pericarditis. Now, it is serious, but I guarantee we're all going to work with Haywood until you beat this thing.
Wow. Thank you. I know I will. I've got all these Martin men on my side.
Dad. Any word from Hayward?
No, I think he was at a conference in New York.
Yeah, but it ended last night. He should be here by now.
Does that mean that we have to cancel the test?
No, certainly not. If he's delayed for any reason, Jake and I will run the test.
Yeah, I'll go call the lab right now.
Good idea,
okay?
Good idea.
Oh, a homecoming party!
I thought your flight was canceled.
It was. Well, I changed it. I made the last flight at the last airport. Hold on. Did I get a hug? You certainly do. Oh, sweetheart.
Welcome home, Mom.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
Get a hug.
I didn't have to die to go to heaven. I just had to get married. Damn, these cuff links. Why aren't you dressed? Why, there's plenty of time. Stuart, if the world ran on your clock, we'd be a year late and a wedding short. Just don't just stand there. Go get your pants on or something. Adam, I'm the groom. I'm the one that's supposed to be nervous, not you. I'm not nervous, Stuart. I'm not nervous. I hate these things. I'm gonna kill myself. Why are you so grumpy? You were grumpy this morning before you ever got spiffed up. How come? Everything has to be exactly right. But it's spectacular. Marian is gonna love it. This isn't about Marian or you. It's about me and my future. Liza has promised to give me an answer to my marriage proposal tonight. Yes or no, Stuart? My life hangs on one word.
So why aren't you more nervous?
Well, why should I be? In a few hours, I am marrying the most incredible man ever.
It's snowing out, Mother. There's a blizzard.
I know, darling. Isn't it exquisite? All those beautiful little crystals just for me. Wasn't it nice of the woman upstairs to decorate the world on my wedding day? Or maybe Stuart arranged it. She really listens to him, you know.
You're right. It's a perfect day, and you deserve it. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm not just going to sit here. I want you to open this present that I got you.
Oh, Liza. Thank you so much. Oh, here. Oops. A ballpoint pen. I'm sorry, darling, but I'm a little underwhelmed here.
Blue ink. Blue. Something old, something new. Blue. Now, I just thought you could keep it in your purse, and you could write down all the wonderful things that Stuart says to you today and forever.
In that case, I'll need a box of refills. Actually, it's perfect, darling. The refills can be something new.
No. I have a better idea. This miraculous life, this is a new generation of Colby women. And with your permission, I would like for her middle name to be Marian.
Oh, Liza. You really? Oh, darling. You have no idea how much this means to me.
Oh, no, don't cry. I can cry. You don't cry. Stuart's gonna see you walking down the aisle. You have bloodshot eyes and...
Well, you know, Stuart will probably say, oh, you look like a fabulous impressionistic painting, Marian. Just made me feel good.
What? Now, why are you looking at me like that for?
Liza, something's different about you. Something? Oh. You made your decision about Adam. Haven't you?
I don't think it would be fair to Adam if I said anything to you.
Oh, come on, Liza. One teensy-weensy clue before I walk down the aisle?
No, I am sorry.
Oh,
today
that must be my hairdresser. Oh.
Well, Paul.
Oh, thank goodness. I was worried I'd be too late.
Too late for what, darling?
Well, I may have closed the beauty salon, but I haven't lost my touch. I 86 that hairdresser you ordered, honey, because my wedding gift to my good friend Marian is to make her into the most beautiful bride this side of the moon. I brought my whole bag of tricks.
Oh, darling. I don't know what to say. What a wonderful gift.
Yeah.
Liza just gave me something blue and something miraculously new.
Oh, well then, I guess you need something old and something borrowed.
Well, couldn't a makeover by my closest friend be called borrowed?
It could probably pass for old and borrowed. I mean, this makeup kit has seen more miles than, well, the three of us put together. Now, that is a frightening thought, isn't it? So why don't you just lean right back here,
Okay.
close your eyes,
Okay.
and leave the drive-in to Opal.
Didn't I tell you at Christmas time that it made absolutely no sense for Tad and Dixie not to be together?
Well, don't look at me, Ma. I practically had to drag the woman off by her hair.
That's right. It's an empty spot right here.
You want a soda?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Ruth, I hope that you're not mad at me because it took me so long to tell Tad about the illness.
Oh, baby, not at all. No, it just breaks my heart to see you trying to handle all of this by yourself, and that's just not necessary at all. I mean, you've got me, you've got Tad, You got Joe and Jake, and I promise you, everything is going to be just fine.
There's still no word at all from Haywood.
No, the guy hasn't answered his page. I don't...
All right, then we'll have to go ahead without him.
That's fine by me.
Okay, how's the lab?
The CBC's ready, and also the X-ray, unless you want to add an X-ray.
No, that's just fine. It would sound better in English.
Well, what happened was Haywood put Dixie on a different medication about a week ago. We're going to draw a blood sample and do a chest X-ray. But we're hoping to find that it's had some effect on the inflammation around the heart.
Mm-hmm. I have a good feeling about this. All right? Okay, anybody who wants to give blood, raise your hand and say,
Ooh.
ouch.
Sick, very sick.
I guess this is it.
Not quite. Jamie wanted me to give you this.
What, a gold star?
Yeah, he finally got 100 on a spelling test, and he wants you to have it for luck. Me too.
Thanks. Okay, boys. Do your worst.
All right. Let's go.
Please take very, very good care of her.
Sweetheart, I will. Mrs. Bennett, you're up and about.
Oh, Dr. Martin, yes, well, no one's given me a speeding ticket. Yes.
But you are feeling better?
Oh, yes, much so.
Oh,
much,
that's
thank you.
good. I'm delighted to hear it. Mrs. Bennett, if David Haywood actually did walk away from you while you were in a medical crisis, as Erica Kane says he did, I really have to pursue the matter. He really is, he's a member of my staff.
Dr. Martin. Joe, may I? Well, David is a fine doctor, I'm so sure. But he just has his own way of doing things.
Mateo, no, the police are looking for Max.
That's not enough.
Honey, you can't go out there with the snow. You
Look,
can't
I'm not
see
going to stay
anything.
here knowing that my son's stuck in that storm.
Hi, Daddy.
You okay? Huh? You cold?
No, Daddy.
What's your hands, huh?
Oh, boy, Max, am I glad to see you.
Where'd you find him?
He was right here, Mateo, on the ground. I found him in the hunting lodge.
Oh, yeah? How'd you think to look there, Erica?
I didn't know where to look, Mr. Dillon. I just kept calling out his name, and I even looked for his tracks in the snow, but the wind blew so hard that it covered them up.
All this time in the freezing snow.
I didn't think about that. I just kept looking in the park, and I didn't know what to do anymore, and then... Mateo, it was the most amazing thing. I just got this sense that Max was okay. Call it intuition. I just knew that he was somewhere near Wildwind. So I came back, and that's when I passed by the lodge, and it was the most incredible thing. The lights were on, and the door was open.
I might have forgotten to turn off the lights and to lock the door when I left last night.
Oh, well, thank goodness you did, because that's where he was, all wrapped up in a blanket. I tried to call, but the phone was dead. It must have been because of the storm.
Well, they're working now. I called, left a message for Derek to call up his men.
Looks like the good guys got lucky.
Just glad you both got home safe.
Max, I want you to explain something to me, okay? So, how'd you find your way home from the park? I mean, how'd you know where to find us?
Maps. I remember the maps that you showed me, Daddy.
Wait a minute, when I showed you the map of Pine Valley with the park and Wildwind, you knew how to get home from that? You're amazing, you know that? You're amazing.
Adam, look around you. It's a fairy tale, and you, the big bad wolf, did all of it. Liza's gonna be very happy.
Happy enough to say yes?
I hope so. I really do.
Maybe we could all be finally happy. How does that sound?
Like the swellest wedding present a brother could ever have. Fowler! Right in the nick of time.
Relax. Stuart, I am delighted for you.
Thank you. Me too. Yeah, we're all delighted for each other. It's, we better get...
We need to talk about your vows.
Oh, I think I know I'm okay. Right this way. Cindy, I wish you were here. I know that sounds silly, because if you were here, we'd be married. We'd still be married. But everything is so pretty. All the things of love, the flowers and the hearts and little scotch tape. And Marian, you'd like her. She'd make you laugh. She has such a strong spirit. Just like you. And she's different, though. She has her own style. Oh, Cindy. It feels so good to be in love again.
Opal, what are you rubbing into my hands? Fish oil?
Hey, you wouldn't tell Martha Stewart that her kitchen stank while she was creating a masterpiece, now would you?
Mother, you're going to look fabulous. Mm-hmm. Stuart is going to be speechless when he sees you.
He can't be speechless. He's got to say his vows.
All right. Here, let's take those off. They're falling off anyway.
Okay.
Look, take a look. See, your eyes are going to be beautiful. You're going to be fabulous. Now, I'm going to go get dressed.
I'm hardly beautiful. I'm still waiting for Opal to wave her magic wand.
Oh, honey, every bride is beautiful. No bride even really needs makeup because the glow is from within.
Well, I certainly feel like I'm glowing. I feel like I'm standing on the tallest rung of the tallest ladder, looking out on sunrise after sunrise, and they are all mine for the taking.
Oh, my goodness. Was that the wind?
Yes, it's wish me good luck on my wedding day.
Well, honey, I sure hope it didn't put a crimp in your wedding.
How can it? This is a blessed day, for gosh sake. I'm marrying the most wonderful and perfect man in the entire world. So let it storm. The heavens are celebrating. And not even a blizzard can dampen my wedding day.
Oh, honey.
Okay, here you go. Now here, this is chamomile tea from the nurse's station.
Oh.
You see, I still have some cloud around here.
Thank you, Ruth.
I'm getting tired of waiting on a page dad to see what's keeping in those test results.
No need. The lab sent them up.
Well, you're smiling. Is it good news?
Are there any improvements?
Well, there are no miracle cures in this, as you know. But your new medication is working.
Oh. I knew it.
Oh, thank God.
Me next. You need a lot of hugs, Sonny.
Well, I hate to admit it, but when it comes to cardiology, Hayward knows what he's doing.
Well, listen, sweetheart, I think we'd better get changed. They say the roads are getting terribly, almost impassable, and I don't want to be late for
all right,
Marian
we won't be.
Stuart's
Jake,
wedding, please now.
You can't get anyone to cover for you?
It's you know, the weather out there. I'm going to be stuck here all night, Dad, but please give them my love.
Okay.
Welcome home.
Ready?
You, my darling.
Ready.
Okay.
I just love weddings, don't you? Especially my own. And all the ones that are still to come in the future.
All right. Let's get this show on the road. Come on.
Ta-da! Wow!
You like it?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, goody!
Oh, Mama, you look gorgeous, but you got to hurry. You got to get dressed.
Oh, don't you worry. If she's late, she'll just fly over there on her own personal cloud nine, won't you? Now, here, I'm leaving you a little extra hairspray. And, this is the lipstick I used on you. Now, just remember, we dab, only dab, no
I'll tell you what,
smearing.
Mama, I'll pack this up for you, okay?
No, it's okay. I'll do it. Why don't you just run along with Opal?
Well, don't you want me to wait for you?
Well, the limo will pick me up shortly, and I need a little alone time, darling.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just that life is so fleeting, but for one remarkable moment, I've got everything I've ever wanted, and I just want to savor the moment for a little while and dream a little bit about my future.
Oh, sweet dreams.
Oh, I love you, Opal. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you over there.
I love you more.
I love you, too. Thank you, my darling.
No fear.
For everything. Thanks.
Don't forget this.
I won't. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, my darling Stuart. Right to you. I'm wearing heels. Okay, hey. Quick. How are you?
Well, Adam, not too shabby. You may actually pull this off. Listen, do you know when Scott is going to get here? Laura wanted me to say hello.
He's not coming. The airline canceled his flight. Let's hope that's the only inauspicious event of the day.
Indeed. Oh, thank you. Glad you're looking now. Here, let me have a
Oh, man, is that
Thank you.
brutal out there?
So, you seem a little nervous, huh? Is there something, are you worried about anything?
No. I'm just welcoming the guests, that's all.
Uh-huh. Seems a little more than that.
Well, it's a big day. Big day for Stuart, big day for me.
Meaning?
When I know, I'll tell you. Whoa. Get in. Yeah, come here. Yeah, thank you. Trevor, how are you? Oh, freezing cold, isn't it? Hey, hello.
What is this is so beautiful. So, what'd you think?
Ooh, I still have the touch. Bye-bye. You know, I'm actually beginning to enjoy this. It's been nice getting to know you.